The compound interest on rupees 16,000 for 3 years is rupees 2522. The rate of interest is. Now, compound interest is 2522 on rupees 16,000. That means this must be principal. Now, amount is equal to principal plus interest. So, therefore, amount will be 16,000 plus 2522. So, amount comes out to be 18,522. Now, the formula for amount is principal into 1 plus r by 100 raised to 3. So now let's substitute the values. Amount is 18,522 is equal to principal is 16,000 into, now the general formula is raised to n. Here it is 3. So therefore it becomes 1 plus r by 100 raised to 3. Okay. Now if we bring this 16,000 on the left hand side, we will have 18,522 upon 16,000 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 raised to 3. Now, if we divide the left hand side by 2, we get in the numerator 9261 and in the denominator 8,000. Now, on the right hand side, you can see that it is raised to 3. So, if we take cube roots on both sides, we will get 1 plus r by 100 on the right hand side and 21 upon 20 on the left hand side. So we have the equation 21 upon 20 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. 1 we can shift on the left hand side. So it becomes 21 upon 20 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. So we get r by 100 is equal to 1 by 20. So therefore we get r is equal to 5. So answer will be option C.